students, welcome back to my channel 90 degree, and today we'll be learning what is a circle. Before starting this, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel because this is the best YouTube channel for maths for Maharashtra State Board students. So let's start this. Let us see some examples of circle from day-to-day life. So we are going to see some examples of circle over here. Bangle, ball, coins, boundary rope of a cricket ground. Out of these 4 examples, 2 are wrong. Let us see that. Ball, coins. Why are these examples wrong? For this, let's understand the definition of circle. So we need to understand the definition of circle. Let us see that. What do you observe? A circle with center O. So this is a circle with center O. Let us define circle. Circle is a set of points in a given plane. So you can see this over here. So this circle is a set of points over here. Can any set of points in a plane be called as a circle? See this. Are this set of points circle? No, because this is a set of points of line and this is a set of points of square. No. So the answer is no. Each of these points here satisfy a condition. So these points satisfy a condition. Let us see the condition. Let us understand that. Point A, I join it. I measure it 4 centimeter. Then point B, draw it 4 centimeter. OC, it measures 4 centimeter. OD, it measures 4 centimeter. OE, 4 centimeter. What can you say about OA, OB, OC, OD and OE? They are equal. OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to OD is equal to OE. They are of equal measures. All these points are equidistant from a fixed point O. So these points A, B, C, D and E are at an equal distance from point O. Understood? Which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. So all these points A, B, C, D and E, they are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. Okay. This fixed distance is called a radius. So this distance OA, OB, OC, OD and OE is called a radius. So circle is a set of points in a given plane where there is a condition which is at a fixed distance from a fixed point. And that fixed distance is called a radius. And radius of the same circle are always equal. Thank you for watching this video.